A Fargo attorney is raising legal questions about how sobriety checkpoints are conducted by law enforcement. The North Dakota Highway Patrol, Cass County Sheriff's Office, and Fargo Police conducted the latest checkpoint on Saturday in the northbound exit ramp from I-29 to 19th Avenue North. 481 vehicles traveled through the checkpoint from 5:15 p.m. until 6:15 p.m. The checkpoint led to 2 DUI arrests. There may be some pretty significant constitutional challenges that can be raised here, Attorney Mike Freeze said. What happens locally is if you pull up to a roadblock, they're stopping every single car. The first question is, have you been consuming alcohol? And if you answer that question in the affirmative, they say, pull over here, stop, and we're going to subject you to testing. To me, that's clearly an unreasonable seizure under the Fourth Amendment, according to Freeze. The checkpoint was conducted in accordance with requirements set in the U.S. Supreme Court and North Dakota State Supreme Court case law. North Dakota Highway Patrol Captain Brian Newen said motorists had an opportunity to avoid the checkpoint by traveling northbound on I-29. Pre-warning signs of the checkpoint were set up on I-29 prior to the exit ramp, and the checkpoint was clearly visible for motorists traveling on I-29, with numerous patrol cars, additional signage, traffic cones, and emergency lighting activated on the off-ramp checkpoint location, said Newen. It was daylight at the time of the checkpoint, and law enforcement was not hidden. We have conducted checkpoints on off-ramps in Fargo on numerous occasions, and the off-ramp checkpoint locations have not previously been identified as being unconstitutional with prior administrative and criminal cases. Freeze says DUI checkpoints have become an expansion of law enforcement authority beyond what the courts have permitted. Nursing staff from Essentia Health and the Regional Vision Zero coordinator handed out educational materials to drivers. They're utilizing civilians in these roadblocks, handing out propaganda, handing out paperwork, and getting away from the intent of focusing on an enforcement and educational effort, according to Freeze. It's time, in my view, for the legislature to act to stop this. It's ineffective. And DUI checkpoints are illegal in Minnesota.